Comfort Foods, Episode 4, Beef Short Rib Ragu.
I ain't changing for a check. Tell my mind I ain't forget. Woke up drunk at 10 a.m. We gon' do this shit again. Tell your girl to bring a friend. Oh, Lord, one. Here comes the 2 to the 3 to the 4. Tell them bring another